If you're new to creative journaling, it can be hard to know where to start or what supplies to use. So in this video, I'm sharing some of my favourite basic supplies. The first and most obvious thing you need is a writing utensil, a pen or a pencil. I've been using and enjoying a Staedtler fineliner in the size 1.2. I like this pen because it doesn't dry out as fast as other fine liners I've tried, and I like this size as it makes my handwriting look its best because it's so easy and so smooth to write with on a variety of different surfaces. And the nib stays intact even when you write a lot. My next favourite supply would have to be washi tape. These decorative sticky tapes are so versatile. In journaling, they're great for sticking photos and ephemera, adding in additional pages or flip-outs, or just adding some extra decoration to a page. My adhesives of choice tend to be your average glue stick and some double-sided sticky tape. But when I feel like something needs some additional reinforcement, my handy stapler is my weapon of choice. I reach for it all the time, as I love the look of staples and I know I can rely on their strength. For extra decoration, I love using stickers in my journals. There are so many different types and designs, and they're so easy to use but can add so much to a page. You can find stickers in dollar stores, scrapbook stores, or even in sticker subscription boxes. A few that I've tried are Pipsticks and Stickii Club. Next, there's paper. In addition to the paper in the journal pages themselves, you can add a lot of interest to a page by including pattern papers or papers with different textures. Some to try would be scrapbook papers, journaling cards, or even junk papers from your everyday life. Layering these pieces in really make your pages come to life. And scissors, of course, are another obvious tool that you'll need for cutting up all your bits and pieces to the right sizes. Any scissors will do. I'm currently using this pair by Fiskars. There are tons of supplies out there that can make starting in a creative journal seem daunting, but these are some of my very favourite and most basic journaling supplies that I reach for all the time. You can definitely make beautiful and interesting journaling pages with these supplies, but most importantly, you can really enjoy creatively expressing yourself by including just a little bit more than pen and paper. And you definitely don't have to have the fanciest or the newest supplies to do that.